diesel version. First service at 10,000 km rupees 1,744. Second service at 20,000 km rupees 3,834. Third service at 30,000 km rupees 3,939. Fourth service at 40,000 km rupees 6,029. Fifth service at 50,000 km rupees 3,939. Approximate total service cost first to fifth service is 19,485 for diesel version. Petrol version. First service at 10,000 km rupees 1,234. Second service at 20,000 km rupees 1,389. Third service at 30,000 km rupees 3,585. Fourth service at 40,000 km rupees 3,584. Fifth service at 50,000 km rupees 3,429. Approximate total service cost first to fifth service is 13,221 for petrol version. 1 liter petrol version. First service at 10,000 km rupees 1,234. Second service at 20,000 km rupees 1,545. Third service at 30,000 km rupees 3,429. Fourth service at 40,000 km rupees 3,740. Fifth service at 50,000 km rupees 3,429. Approximate total service cost first to fifth service is 13,377 for 1 liter petrol version.